Mischievous.
Oh, mischievous.
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 Yeah. I'd say mischievous. But I'd
you'd
probably
say
spell it
Mischievous.
Mischievous. What would you say?
There's no I there.
Mischievous.
Mischievous.
Oh, all right. Well, I expect you're right, but I would say mischievous.
Says.
wrong. Says.
Not says.
No. That's weird. Says.
Says. I don't know why though.
Says.
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 Who's right?
I'm clearly right.
Says.
Not says.
Says.
You seem quite determined about that.
I'm determined about it.
Is says wrong?
No, it's just the way I say it.
8.
Et.
8.
Et.
8.
It's et. If you say it in a sentence, it would be et.
Okay. A biscuit.
I ate a biscuit.
No, sorry, it would be 8. I was wrong. Yeah. I don't know what I was saying, et.
Et.
8.
Et.
8.
8?
Not et.
No, definitely not. That's awful. It sounds too posh.
I ate a biscuit.
No, it's wrong. 8 sounds better.
I'm too posh for saying I ate a biscuit.
Definitely wrong.
H.
H.
Not H.
No, definitely not
Don't like
H. Always H.
H?
Not H.
Oh, definitely not H.
You don't seem to like H.
No, I don't like H. I've never heard anyone say that.
Oh no. I get so angry when people pronounce this one wrong. Go on, what's your one?
H.
It's H. It's H. It doesn't have an H at the beginning.
I'd
It's
still
just
say H.
A-I-T-C-H. H.
I'd still say H.